Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, please check the playlist into my channel that will help you to learn easily, and check the description box after the video ends. There you will get the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So in this video we are going to cover up how to use if formula in Microsoft Excel properly. And today we are going to learn if function combined with greater than or lesser than symbol. To learn about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. Here it is. Basically, we have a data file like this and we are going to put the formula here that it will show the result as yes whenever the due date is over. If you want to take an action when a cell value is greater than a certain value, you can use the if function to test a value and return one value if the test is true and another if the test is false. Look at here carefully friends. If you notice in this data sheet, we have a data that contains an invoice column, date column, amount column, age. That means in which date the invoice has been included and how many days are counted after the date of the invoice. So we are basically using the formula of if here. Look at here carefully, equals to if. Then in this logical test you have to at first select that cell reference number. After that we are going to put the greater than symbol, as we are going to find the cell greater than a particular or a specified value. After putting the greater than symbol, we have to type the number that should be have a greater value in this cell. So I am typing as 30. After that put a comma here. Then it is asking for value if true. So if true, it will be showed as yes. That means it will be overdue, and put a comma and we are going to show no when the value is not greater than of this value. Then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing no as result. But if you copy the formula from upside down, in this case it is 50, that means it is greater than 30 and showing the result as yes, it is overdue. And one thing friends, if you don't want to show a value when it is not greater than the specified value, you can simply delete this from the middle of the double inverted comma. Then simply hit the enter button. The formula will remain unchanged. And if you copy the formula from upside down, look at here, whenever it is greater than 30 it is showing yes, but If not, it is showing nothing. So let's check how this formula actually works. This formula simply tests the value in cell number E6 to see if it is greater than 30. If so, the test returns true and the if function returns yes as the value is true. And if the test returns as false, the if function will return no as the result if the value is false. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video and have learned a new trick of if formula in Microsoft Excel. Please share this video with your friends who wants to learn advanced Microsoft Excel from beginning level. Share your opinion and your query in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.